Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Atlas Earth crashing the moment you open it or freezing at 0% on loading screen and never moving past it? Here's the fix. First swipe up and force close the Atlas Earth from your recent apps completely, then press and hold on the Atlas Earth icon. Tap remove app, delete tab and tap delete to fully uninstall it. Then go to the App Store, search for Atlas Earth and then reinstall it completely fresh. This clears any corrupted launch data that's causing the crash or 0% freeze. Before reinstalling, make sure you know which Google, Facebook, or Apple account your progress is saved under, since that's what you need to sign back in and recover your land. After reinstalling, go to your settings, then go to General, Software Update, and install any pending iOS update. Also, check Settings, General, and scroll down to VPN and Device Management to confirm no VPN is active. And if you have any auto clicker or touch automation app installed, disable or delete them, since Atlas Earth detects these as policy violations and blocks the app from loading as a result. So, all you've got to do is delete and reinstall fresh, update iOS, turn off VPN, and disable any auto clicker apps. Atlas Earth launches past 0%, and that's it. Subscribe.